when I started KP, I used to be on the agency, so I knew there was a lot of progression in KP. The progression in it is really good. You know you're going to go to that next step. It's the process leads, line leads, you know, that they've all made the way up. I've seen friends who I've started with get to a higher level, and it's nice to see that for them, but also the fact that your company's backing you and letting you get to that progress, you know, doing PDPs, like your personal development plan, and then your personal development plan getting used for other people as well. Like, that's nice to see. Going back to college as a mature apprenticeship, you know, like going into my 30s and going back to college was, like I said, really daunting. But, you know, like with the help of the team, like my manager, training, you know, like the helped you, guided you, got everything you needed. We didn't really have to worry about anything. You know, it was just kind of like turn up and we'll be there for you. Once you put your name forward and you get your name out there, like they are willing to push you towards where you need to be, and you know it's really good. I got a personal development years ago when I was an ATM, and it was to push me to being an engineer. So it's helped me along the way, and we have a really good team here. The engineers have been really spot on. They've made me feel so welcome. I think they actually regret it sometimes because, you know, I take the mick out of them a bit, but apart from that, it's really good. I've enjoyed the college side, but right now what I do about taking motors and pumps apart, it's really good to get hands-on, mucky. You know, the engineers are fantastic. Like, they've got years and years of experience. You know, they're showing you things that you didn't learn in college. It's a different world, but it's so good to just dive in. Everybody's willing to help you. Having someone else there just backing you up, and, you know, like having someone to not fall back on, but just give you that boost. You know, like obviously training at the minute, it's hard work because you don't know as much as the other engineers, but you know, they're willing to put that time in. So a job would normally take an hour. They'll spend 2 hours on it just to go through it with us, and just, you know, so we get our mind around it. You can't go anywhere without people like being so happy that you work in a crisp factory. But like everybody knows KP, you know, and it's good that you're supporting that company and they're supporting you.